Moving on now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off multiple infrastructure projects in his home state of Gujarat, where the projects included upgraded Gandhinagar railway station, which now has a 5-star hotel facility. Now, the projects were inaugurated by the Prime Minister through a video conferencing, where he also talked about the new facilities for children.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually flagged off multiple infrastructure projects worth rupees 1,100 crore in his home state of Gujarat.
भाई और बहनों, आज देश का लक्ष्य सिर्फ कंक्रीट के स्ट्रक्चर खड़ा करना नहीं है, बल्कि आज देश में ऐसे इंफ्रा का निर्माण हो रहा है जिनका अपना एक कैरेक्टर है। बेहतर पब्लिक स्पेस हमारी जरूरी आवश्यकता है। इस प्रकार से कभी पहले सोचा नहीं जाता था।
Amongst the projects inaugurated by the Prime Minister, the upgraded Gandhinagar railway station stands out.
Today itself, and it is a dream project of the Prime Minister with several aspects to it, several characteristics to it. We'll show you a view of the entire station. This is the entrance of this entire station, and you can see the kind of beautification that has also been done and made sure that the entire characteristic of Gujarat is also very visible. This is the place where the waiting can also be done.
The state-of-the-art railway station now features a luxury hotel built at a whopping cost of rupees 790 crores.
आज भारतीय रेल को देखने का अनुभव और नजरिया दोनों बदल रहे हैं, और मैं गर्व से कहूंगा कि आज के ये प्रोजेक्ट भारतीय रेल के इसी नए अवतार की झांकी है।
This is the mini model of the Gandhinagar station that we can see that the station also has a 5-star luxurious hotel right on top of it, so that the people who are actually traveling here can stay there as well. This is done keeping in mind trade and commerce and foreign direct investment as well, because it is very close to Mahatma Mandir, where most of the foreign dignitaries come for events that are organized there.
The Prime Minister also flagged off 2 trains, a train between Gandhinagar and Varetha, and one connecting Gandhinagar to his constituency of Varanasi.
There are a lot of facilities that have been inculcated in this entire newly redeveloped Gandhinagar railway station. What you see right behind me is a waiting hall that is for the capacity around 500 passengers who can wait here while they are waiting for their trains, and all of this is being done with the state-of-the-art facility, making sure that the handicapped are also made taken into consideration. As of now, these are only chairs, but there will be more infrastructure that will be redeveloped here in the waiting hall, which will have the capacity of around 500 passengers.
Another highlight of the Prime Minister's inauguration event is the revamped Vadnagar railway station, where PM's father Damodar Das Modi used to run a tea stall. During his younger days, the PM used to help his father sell tea at the station.
आज भारतीय रेलवे की पहचान, उसकी साख बदलने लगी है। आज भारतीय रेल में सुविधा भी बढ़ी है, स्वच्छता भी बढ़ी है, सुरक्षा भी बढ़ी है और स्पीड भी बढ़ी है। चाहे वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का मॉडर्नाइजेशन या नई आधुनिक ट्रेन हो, इस तरह के कितने ही प्रयास ट्रेनों की स्पीड को बढ़ाने के लिए किए जा रहे हैं।
While the projects will boost tourism and business in the state of Gujarat, they also carry emotional value for the Prime Minister, reminding him once again of his humble beginnings.
मुझे विश्वास है कि आप लोग अपने इस चाय वाले से, आपके इस प्रधान सेवक से भी खुश हैं।
Bureau Report, Republic TV.